Common phrases and expressions with months. Welcome to our English language learning video on common phrases and expressions with months. In this video, we will explore how to use the months of the year in various phrases and expressions. Learning these phrases will help you improve your conversational skills and expand your vocabulary. So, let's get started. Birthdays are special occasions, and we often use the months of the year when discussing them. Here are some common phrases and expressions related to birthdays. 1. When is your birthday? This is a question you can use to ask someone about their birth date. 2. My birthday is in month. Use this phrase to talk about your own birthday and mention the specific month. 3. Happy birthday, a common greeting used to wish someone a happy birthday. The months of the year are closely associated with seasons and weather conditions. Here are a few phrases and expressions you can use to describe them. 1. In month, the weather is usually description. Use this sentence structure to talk about typical weather conditions in a specific month. 2. I love the spring, summer, fall, winter. Express your preference for a particular season. 3. It's a hot, cold day for month. Comment on the current weather in relation to the expected conditions for that month. When making plans or scheduling events, it's important to know how to refer to different months. Here are some useful phrases for this purpose. 1. Let's meet in month. Propose a month for a future meeting. 2. I'm going on vacation in month. Share your travel plans with others. 3. The deadline for the project is month. Discuss the due date for a project or task. Holidays and festivals are often associated with specific months. Here are a few phrases and expressions related to this topic. 1. Merry Christmas, a popular greeting used during the Christmas season. 2. I'm looking forward to holiday, festival, in month. Express your excitement about an upcoming holiday or festival. 3. I'm going to event during month. Talk about your plans for attending a particular event during a specific month. Congratulations! You have now learned common phrases and expressions with months in English. By incorporating these phrases into your conversations, you will be able to communicate more effectively and express yourself with greater precision. Keep practicing and expanding your vocabulary, and soon you'll be a confident English speaker. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you.